Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of gas versus the electric oven. Watch until the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between a gas and electric oven is safety. An electric oven is safer than a gas oven because you don't have to worry about a fire hazard when using an electric oven. The problem with a gas oven is the risk of leakage. Since a gas oven could release toxic gas like nitrogen dioxide, you have to keep the cooking area well ventilated when using this oven. Therefore, an electric oven is the better choice since it's safer. Installation. While an electric oven is easy to install, you may need a skilled specialist to install a gas oven. Someone without experience should not install a gas oven, since this could be dangerous. A natural gas line in the kitchen is also necessary for installing a gas oven. Therefore, an electric oven wins in this category because it's easier to install and it only needs an outlet. Heat distribution. Most electric ovens distribute heat more evenly since they have a fan. The fan helps in the air circulation within the oven, so that the food cooks from different angles. On the other hand, gas ovens do not have a fan, so this often leads to uneven heat distribution. Therefore, an electric oven is the better choice in this category, since it promotes even heat distribution. Pricing. The cost of buying a gas oven is cheaper than that of an electric oven. Though a gas oven may cost you installation fees, cooking with a gas oven can save you more money in the long run than cooking with an electric oven. That's because a gas oven is more energy efficient than an electric oven. Therefore, a gas oven wins in this category, since it's cheaper than an electric oven. Comparison table. From the table above, you can tell that a gas oven is better for baking, since it keeps cakes moist. On the other hand, an electric oven releases less moisture, making roasted food crispy. Additionally, a gas oven can reach the desired temperature faster than an electric oven. Similarities. Gas and electric ovens are similar in that their interiors contain heat elements, which warm food through radiation. In both ovens, there's no contact between the cooking food and the heat source. Verdict. So, which one is better? Although an electric oven is more expensive, it is better than a gas oven, because it's easier to install, safer, and has even heat distribution. An electric oven may be slower, but it can help you cook better food. So if you're a fan of cooking roasted foods, consider an electric oven. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And hey, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us in the comments below.